Hey everybody, how you doing? Kevin, Outdoor Inspirations, hanging out at Fairview Garden Center today. Want to show you some amazing grasses, ornamental grasses. And at my feet here is zebra grass, which you may or may not heard of. Zebra grass has a wonderful margin striping throughout the blades as it grows. And this zebra grass does get fairly large. I know there's a dwarf zebra grass as well that'll be smaller. Kind of a cousin to the zebra grass is this little joker called bandwidth. I like this one. It has a really super duper stronger contrast to the margining in the strands of foliage. And this one, let's see, loves sun. You know, most of your miscanthus, your ornamental grasses are gonna love full sun. This one happens to get about 2 feet tall at maturity. And, you know, the other great thing about ornamental grasses is it has a very nice range of moisture tolerance. So moist to dry, once it's established, it's going to be able to hang in there for you. And let me show you another cool grass. This one's Shenandoah. And this is interesting because, you know, after this grows and matures, come June or July, it's going to turn this really amazing red and plum bracketing in its foliage. And this one actually will take a lot of moisture, so you can plant these near creek beds, riverbed edges, moist bog areas. It's going to be fine and dandy. It does like sun, but it will take part sun, and that's an interesting small type growing plant. It's not going to get overly huge, as you can tell. It's very dwarfy in nature, and that's a really nice feature, especially if you don't have a lot of room in your landscapes. You know, room to grow is essential. We've talked about it before. You know, great planning of landscapes allows for great design and openness of a plant just to do its thing in its space and not be overly crowded where you have to remove something, cut it out later and stuff. So plan your gardens well. Hire a landscape designer near you if you don't know or need some help. You know, just look up a good landscape designer in your area, right? If you have any comments or suggestions, please let us know. We love to hear from you. But remember, all things grow with love. We love you guys. So we'll see you in the next video.